Hi guys, I'm Timmy and I'm going to show you my 3 helicopters today. So the first one, it's a police helicopter. It has 1 propeller and 2 blades. And this one has 1 propeller and 3 blades. And this one, it's the canopy opens and it has these joints to move it, to control the helicopter, and in these safes here it opens and there's 2 handcuffs because there's 2 safes, and the propellers come in like this, and these yellow stuff is to like float on the water and to land on the ground. So it needs to get somebody. If somebody robbed something and they got on the boat, they can get him and they can land on the water and float. Or unless if somebody is like cannot swim and he can rescue. And now we're going to this is the helicopter we had a few years ago, and I still play with it. Now the second one, what I had is, it's a medium one, and the boot opens. It's 1 propeller with 4 blades. It has two jets to go faster and to go straight, and it controls the propellers as well. And on the other side, over here, it has oxygen. So if somebody crashed on the mountains when they was like skiing or something, and they hurt themselves on their neck, they can use it to breathe well. And if you turn it like this, it has like skis. Like you go for skiing, so it can land good on the mountains and on the ground. And it has this so they can jump up to get the person. And it has a type of propeller, I don't know what it's called, but now, and I had this later when I had this smart one. So now we're going up to the third one. The third one is my more favorite helicopter. It's very big. It's 1 big propeller with 6 blades. It has 2 big jets. And to go faster and to go straight, and it controls the propellers. It has 1 propeller with 3 blades. It's a Coast Guard, and if you open it here, it has like a red tag what comes out. And there's a diver. So if somebody got stuck, you can go down the diver will go down. He'll go down. And he'll go down. And when he gets in the water, he can, if somebody's like drowning, he can connect the hook, and then it can come back up. The person. And then they open the door. They get in. And then if something is wrong with the man, they can bring it to the hospital. It has a very big boot. What opens. It's to land on the ground. It has sliding doors. And it's very big. And it's my favorite helicopter from all of my helicopters. And I had this the last one. So thank you for enjoying to watch my video with my 3 helicopters. And one day I'll make a video of this. I'll show you this helicopter when I'm done building it. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and press the like button. And see you next time. Bye.